Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notification. Today's video, I'm going to show you a couple custom duck calls I got from Larry Johnson. Put the link to his channel in the description. He's got all his contact information in his About section if you'd like to order a custom duck call. So this was the video I was watching. Pretty neat how he makes them. Make sure you check it out. I'll put that video link in the description of this video. And here's the two that I got. Pretty neat. One of a kinds. Double reed. I like them. Some nice looks to them. Beautiful work, Larry. I'm definitely not the best caller. I will give you a little sound bite. It's that one. Some great looking calls. I'm sure with a little practice they'll sound better. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.